Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to record slow motion videos on the Redmi A5. Now if you open the camera app on your smartphone, you can see that we don't have the option to record slow motion videos on the Redmi A5. Now if you want to record slow motion videos on the Redmi A5, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now just tap on the X icon over here and tap on allow. Now just tap on start. Now from here you have two options. You can either select a video from the gallery app on your smartphone and convert it to slow motion, or you can record a video using the slow motion app we have just downloaded. Now just tap on continue. Now from here just record a video with this app. Just like that. Now once you have recorded the video, just tap on done. Now from here just choose your editing method. Now you have two options. You can either select advanced or you can select simple. I will select simple. Now as you can see, this is the video we have just recorded. Now from here, if you swipe the slider to the left side, you can convert the video to slow motion. Now once you convert the video to slow motion, just tap on save. Now just tap on allow all. Now from here, just tap on start processing. Now just wait for a few seconds for the slow motion video to be saved on our smartphone. Now as you can see, this is the slow motion video we have just recorded. Now if you go to your home screen and open the gallery app on your smartphone, you will find the video we have just recorded. Just like that. And this is how you can record slow motion videos on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.